In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add extra baggage in Lufthansa. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly find the options to add extra baggage for your Lufthansa flight. So, in order to do this, I recommend that you follow along through the website, but they offer plenty of ways to do this, and you can either call them at their phone number that I'm also going to talk about, or even in person. First, if you want to do it online, you will be able to add extra baggage online at Lufthansa.com up to 24 hours before your flight departure. So, in order to find the option to add extra baggage, you have to go over to My Bookings and sign into your account. You can also include the booking code and the last name, and you should be able to see them this way. But if you are able to sign into your account, everything will be displayed in more detail. Now, sadly, I cannot show this page to show you what it looks like visually, but as soon as you sign into the account, you will be able to see your flight and find the option to add extra baggage. You can also get more information regarding baggage and how it works when you go over to this page here, purchase additional bag during check-in. You can look for this page on Google or access the baggage category when you go over to the menu. So go over to help, baggage, and then you will find this page. Now in here they have all of the criteria, and basically to summarize, you have to meet everything, and like I said, you have to do it up to 24 hours before your flight departure. So this is why it's important that you go either to My Bookings or check in. If this doesn't work, or you believe that this process is inconvenient to do online, the best course of action is to call Lufthansa. There is a specific phone number that you can find on this website, and I recommend that you do it on your and just to be sure of the number, but it appears to be 4906980001000. This will allow you to add baggage up to 72 hours before your flight, and you will be talking to them over the phone. If this still doesn't work or you still aren't satisfied, then I recommend that you do this process in the airport itself. You will be able to add extra baggage at the airport kiosk or the check-in counter when you check in for your flight. And in some cases, even after check-in, you will still have the option as long as you talk to the flight attendants or you call them at the specified number. I hope I was able to help you on how to add baggage in Lufthansa. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.